think my preview image is bad.
All right, well, we'll give it a shot. Howdy, folks. This is the OLM Working Group Dev meeting for 8th of July, 2025. Meeting at our new time for our AB slots. This is our, what is it, 10 p.m. Eastern, corresponding to 2 p.m. CMT. Okay, looking, let's see. I'll put my name on here first. Okay, I'll screw that up. Okay, quickly, briefs and RFCs under review.
I think
We
we're
still
maybe still
have
seeing the
the work in
wrong
progress. Uh,
window.
sorry?
I think we're maybe still seeing the wrong window. If you're trying to share the
Oh yeah,
meeting
it
notes.
switched. Let me change that. It's about now.
Yep.
Looking all right. Okay, cool. Okay, so we have one brief showing on down to review, work in progress. Camilla, this is the new Uber brief for Helm that we discussed last week. Is that correct?
Exactly.
Okay.
I put here, I didn't finish yet, but it's possible people give a look and to give your thoughts about it. So just to share.
Very good. Okay. Then no RFCs currently under review. So let's look at the old actions. So it looks like we're working on this first one for the Uber brief for Helm. So I won't check that off for you, Camilla, since it's not yet ready, but I think we're good on there. And then the next one is needing reviewers to update, decide, review for the proof of concept brief and RFC docs for the Helm with a couple of issue numbers associated with it. I don't believe I've seen any messaging or any new reviews. Is there any reason to believe that we should close this one out? Okay, hearing nothing,
They,
I'm going to say no.
they are not here, right? Edmund and Igor. And Todd has been helping the PR. Um, I think the PR is just missing comply properly with the feature gates thing. And
Yeah,
they
they added FeatureGate support and necessary FeatureGate support stuff.
Okay, we'll consider that in progress then. Let's see, we closed off one reviews for PR 1971 for feature gated effort. And then the next one is draft documents and needs doc state, follow up with Michael Ryan Peter. I'm not clear on who owned this action. Does anybody have an
Yeah,
updated status?
I don't necessarily have an updated status, but it had to do with items in the roadmap that were in needs doc state. We need to figure out what the next steps are, and that involved a discussion with Michael. And I think we were hoping to do it within the meeting here.
And is he in the meeting? Doesn't look
I don't,
like it.
I don't believe so.
Okay. If we want to do it in the meeting, then we won't take an offline action for that. Let's just add it to our tracking items here so we can not lose sight. Okay, and then the rest, these three are pretty much our standard set, which takes us to discussion topics. First one there. Camilla, I know this is you, even though it doesn't have a name on it. Is there anything you'd like to say here, or is it just good to note it?
just to remember everybody that she's closing this Friday. So please do your nominations and thank you folks that did your edits. We have, I think, 6 persons that put the nomination forward. And we have 7 new chairs, right? So just to share.
Okay. Let's move on to the roadmap check-in then. Is this readable for folks? We need to make it bigger.
I can read it.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to start from right to left with the most done, going to the least done. All right, done doesn't really require anything, I don't believe. The needs docs, we already talked about the need to advance those through an interaction with Michael.
Correct.
So skipping then to implementing. We have 2 items in the implementation, Cube Cuddle Operator plugin updates and performance and scale. Do we have anybody who wishes to speak about whether or not these are in the right place?
I can speak to the KubeCut operator one. It is in the right place. I haven't gotten to work on it the last week. So yeah, I just have to update that for the feature gate support, more or less. But I am also holding off on it until I get a proper brief out first, so that we don't end up creating like a toy version of this instead of what we'd actually like our CLI to look like.
Okay. And then performance and scale. I know Daniel was one of the folks working on this, and he's probably not able to attend this timing. Anybody else have any idea whether or not this is in the correct space?
I think he's in the correct space. He added mm, the making file target in operator controller for we have Prometheus now, but it's a app. It has a lot of things to do after that.
All righty. Let's shift over. Nothing accepted. In the designing, we have 3 items. Cluster extension parameters pass through to templating engine. It's got a need information tag on it. Do we have anybody who can speak to this one? Is it in the right place? Does it need anything? I do not see Nico on here, but I do see his name on the item itself. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Support for handling Helm charts. I believe
The
this correlates with the action items we've already discussed for the Helm Uber brief.
right place.
Right, and then registry v1 bundle release attribute. That's mine, and I haven't had time to work on the brief for some time now. But I hope to finish that in the next week or so. So that's in the correct place. Okay, then. Are there any of the no status items we need to discuss? Is anybody looking at any of these and finding they need additional information that is not present in the tickets that wants to take this opportunity to discuss them? Hearing nothing, presuming all is good. That looks like everything we need to do as part of this meeting here. Although it would be nice if we could identify the next driver of this meeting before we vacate this time. Do we have any volunteers?
And just to be specific, this would be for 2 weeks from now, because next week would be in EMEA APAC.
Oh, good call out.
So
Yeah,
for
that's really
the
early for me.
you can put myself in the next one because you'll be Pierre, I, and Daniel probably.
Okay, I will put you down there. If you're not able to do it for some reason, please try to coordinate in advance with
Thank
a replacement. Very good. Any other business that's not on the agenda that we need to talk about? Very good. We'll give you back 40 minutes, it looks like. Thanks, everyone. I'll update the agenda offline.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.